How can we add page numbers in Google Docs? Simply head to Insert menu at the top. You will see it straight away. Page numbers. We got 4 options here presented, but if you need more, you just go and click more options and customize how the numbers will be displayed. For me, top right corner, that's exactly what I need. I click on that. You got option to start counting from page 1 or start counting from page 2. Like the first page, the cover page will be ignored. So that's handy. I will start counting for page 1. And now in the header, I see number 1. Let's insert a page break so we can test it out. Page break. And take a look. Now we are on page number 2. Alright, so this number is now showing at the top right corner exactly as I set it up. If you double tap in the header, you see this page number almost covered by the super annoying AI help that is covering the part of the screen I try to work with. So great help, Google. But anyway, I managed to select this number 2 and now I can change the size of it. I can make it bold, I can change the color of this page number. So we got options to modify the style of it, okay? And if I roll back to page number 1, take a look, it's affected all of the numbers across the document. So that's great. You can even type something here, and this will be also part of the header. Page 2, page 3, all right? So we can modify this default one that they gave us by simply modifying the header of the page, or if you set this up in the footer, of course, in that case, you must head to the footer. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.